is your father.
Convolution. I'm sitting in the dark with a buddy. It's Chris from Ear to Ear Magic, and we are here for another drive-through haunted event. This one is the Haunted Road. This one is out in the backwoods of Alafaya. This one's gonna be a little bit different than the Stream and Scream we did last month. We did this last year, and it was kind of like stupid fun, wasn't it?
It was very much stupid fun.
Yeah.
I mean, I got a big kick out of it, and there were some pretty decent effects here and there.
Right. But we're sitting here in the dark. We're waiting for our cue to go. And I'll give you some sights and sounds of the show. All right, I do have to say that if you're coming out to this event, what you're seeing, this is the ambient lighting you had for the roads. It was so dark getting in here. You, if I would advise you lose your Waze or your whatever on your phone, and then have a navigator tell you, okay, turn here, because you will miss it if you don't see it coming. They gave us a bag of sacrificial dirt?
Consecrated dirt.
Okay. Yeah, and we have to go, was it the fifth tombstone? Eighth tombstone.
Not the fifth one. Don't go to the fifth one.
We have to go
oh my God, what are we going to do if you get to the fifth one?
This is nuts. Go up there, sprinkle the dirt.
And ask for a sign of whether or not we can pass.
Yeah, this is... And they said that, like, the weakest of the two of us. I think I'll do it just because I want to
Wait, did she say the weakest link?
She did. I think that's copywritten.
You are the weakest link.
Goodbye. We're looking for tombstone number 7.
7.
They told us 8 at first, but...
Oh, there's one.
Was that a tombstone? I didn't see a number on it. So this one must be 5.
So which one do we go to? 7 or 8?
We had the first girl told us 8. The second girl told us 7. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah. This one's 6. Should we stop at 7?
If she told the person behind us 7 too, we should probably go to 8.
All right, we should go to 8. We're going to 8.
Oh, there's a dude.
Yeah,
which
there.
One is that?
That one was 7. And
which one is 8?
Where is 8? Is that 8? Right there? I think that's 8. Okay, so I got my dirt. Sprinkle it out. Mecca lecky high, Mecca high hope. Do we have permission to pass?
Margaret.
Are we supposed to get back in the car? I'm not entirely sure.
I see no sign.
Yeah. No sign. May we pass? Do we have the right to pass? Please, may I pass? Pretty please, with sugar on top.
Spirits have accepted your offer.
Spirits accepted.
May pass.
Oh, thank you. Oh, look at that. There's gravestone number 8. Where the heck did I stop? No wonder it didn't work. Oh, okay.
There you go. 90.
92.9 FM. All right, so let's 92.9. Okay. The other thing is, the cars behind us, they're not moving. Let's see. Do I pull into the stall?
Yeah, into the stall.
Okay.
8.7.
Do I go for the very last one?
Probably.
It's really hard to make out. The whole fairy tale aspect last year was really good. This one, I don't know what the theme is yet. I don't think they know what the theme is yet.
Please let me go. Please let me go. What do you want with me?
Okay, the great thing about that is I couldn't see a single thing going on in that scene. Because we're in the first car and I'm in the driver's seat, the direction that it was taking place. Yeah, oh well, I missed out on that one. All right, pull up to another stop sign and wonder what's going on here. You know, thank God everything's going on behind us. We can't see a thing.
Is there something going on?
I have no idea. Whoa, hey, over here. Oh, the guy on a stick.
Stuff behind that in your backyard.
Ugh.
Oh, laundry day.
Oh, goodness. Thank God they put out their whites.
Oh, the scariest thing. Corn.
Corn.
Bunch of corn.
I like corn. You like corn? Who don't like corn?
I mean, we are here to your magic.
That joke was amazing.
Oh my gosh, I hate cornfields. They're filled with stalkers.
Haven't even seen a stop sign yet.
Let's stop here.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop a little early. That way I
Earlier.
can actually see it.
Yeah.
Who's there? Oh my God. People. I was hoping you were. No, never mind. I just need to get down.
I'm noticing there's a lot less scare actors like at the cars.
Yeah, I kept expecting crows to come up.
Yeah, that was the most terrifying part last year.
Yeah, what really sucks is being the front car is there's no one to direct traffic telling you go here, go there. So it's all like, I come to a fork in the road. Do I turn left, turn right? Oh, we got somebody in the road.
We can actually say the word wormhole. We can, you know, does it have something to do with the fact
Well,
that
I don't think we
there's
should
a
keep
lot
going
of
any further.
Yeah, I think we should probably stop.
I'm sure we'll be back on the track in no time.
Can you help me? Can you help me, please? Please, can you please help me? They said I could take a soul from this car.
Where'd the train go?
All right, that one was enjoyable. Drive. Yeah, I'm trying to drive.
Oh, I missed that one from last year.
Drive. Wait, was that it? Finally, a good scene with actual actors.
Actors.
I think that what was it? 5 zones? Five scenes?
I don't.
6?
I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Are we parked?
This is weird. They it looked like we were done, and then they motioned for us to move on. I mean, we bought the extra barnyard walk around. I'm guessing that's what they walked us. They didn't really tell us. So because we were the first car in the row,
We parked.
yeah, we ended up missing out a lot of stuff because it was going on that way behind
Is there
us.
something else that we're?
I'm not entirely sure. I think we have to get out and look.
Let's go
All
find
right,
out.
let's go get out. We did that one thing you don't ever want to do in horror movies. Get out of your car. But no, this is actually kind of nice. All right, so they got a little barbecue joint here. And a bar inside the old watering hole. Let's check this out. All right, it's a little humid out, but not too bad. They gave us tickets for free single or double. I got a single of a vodka and Coke. Okay, this is a nice relaxing way to end it. Here's something I wasn't expecting to see.
This is comedy, everybody. Hi, you guys weren't ready for comedy, were ya?
He's picking on you.
Yeah, scared you. Spooky times. My name is Grace, and I am your ghost with the adequate amount. Yeah, no, I can't say that ghost with the most because I died a penniless millennial.
hard to see, but this is a little walkthrough tour. I think it's part of our extension that we paid for. We'll find out.
We're gonna be in a salt circle.
Salt circle? Oh, it's...
I hope they're gonna let more people.
They should let a wild boar in here.
We can talk.
Was that necessary?
Are you guys ready? What do we have to do? What do we have to say? I think to say something.
Yeah.
Butcher!
Where's your brother?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, the group in unison shouldn't be saying that.
Really starting to smell now. Josh! Where's your father?
So that was the haunted road. I think there was just 5-6 scenes, and we couldn't see more than half of them.
Could you even count the first one as a scene?
Was it just lights, and then they said move on?
I don't,
because I didn't see anybody.
I didn't see a single thing in that first scene. I have to say this: last year's, I found last year's to be. It was, well, how did we call it last year? It was cheesy fun.
Yeah, stupid fun.
And last year had a story.
Yep.
And you had a beginning, you had an end, and you kind of had some cohesion to it. And this just, I never grasped.
Yeah, I wonder if they just had a shortage of scare actors. They definitely had a shortage of road managers, like telling you where to go and everything. The post-show extra thing that we paid for kind of saved the entire evening for us. It came with 2 alcoholic drinks, the little barnyard, haunted
Walk-through scene?
well, kind of like haunted standstill scene.
And it's best to do with other people.
Yeah, if it was just the 2 of us, it was like...
That would have been nearly as much fun.
Well, yeah. I would have to say, I can't recommend this. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, I'd say go ahead and just do the drive-through experience. But if you definitely want to experience it on yourself, I say go ahead, go for it. Guys, thanks for watching. Go subscribe to him, Ear to Ear Magic, link down below. Subscribe to me. Give a nice little like if you would. This sitting in the car with the light, there's a lot of low light situations too. So if you want to record stuff, good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. Good luck. Guys, take care of yourselves, because if you don't, something else will take care of you.
That sucked.